One, two, three. So today we are going to Hey guys, welcome to another video from my channel Keeping Up with Nikams. Today I bring to you a food recipe from the Indian subcontinent and known globally. Chicken tandoori. The main ingredient here is chicken, and obviously it's spiced up really nicely. And what we love about is not just the roasting part of it, but the red color and the aromatic flavor that it gets when you just have it in your mouth and it just melts. So let's begin. So we begin with the marination. So firstly I'm going to go ahead with the curd. It really depends on how much quantity of curd you want to put depending on the chicken in your pan. So I've put the curd inside. Ginger garlic paste we prepared freshly. Let's put it all across the chicken. Once we put all the ingredients, we're going to mix this up, and then this marination will be ready and will be kept overnight. Let's move to the red chili powder. This is the red chili powder. So the red chili powder, from the quantity it looks like it's going to be very spicy, but this is really not that spicy as you think. So let's put to the garam masala. This is made of herbs and different spices. Now the coriander and the cumin powder. And a little bit of turmeric. And now before we mix it, a little bit of salt in the marination so that it can get very well dissolved in the marination overnight. So I'm just putting in a little bit of salt right now. And now lastly what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lemon juice. So freshly, so just the lemon. Squeeze in some lemon so that this will give the tangy flavor to the chicken.
So let's mix this marination together.
As you can see, the marination is ready, and one last touch to the marination is we're going to give cuts to the chicken, every piece of chicken, so that it soaks in maximum amount of marination and we get the right flavor and essence that we're looking at tomorrow morning. So just small pieces, just small cuts to the chicken. What this does is that it gives an inlet to the marination and for the chicken to soak it in overnight. So the chicken is soaking in the marination. I'm going to keep this overnight. Hey morning friends. So let's see how our marinated chicken, which has been kept overnight, looks like. Come with me. Look at the beautiful weather outside. The aroma is just amazing, and look at this, marinated an entire night, and now we're going to roast this. Just look at this. Doesn't it look yummy? And it's gonna taste so yummy. So now our chicken is put in the electric cooker, and now I'm gonna give it around close to 20 minutes to get it cooked. And once it's finally cooked, I'm going to show you how it's going to look like and just a little bit of taste to tell you how it's tasting. So let's see what's the progress of the chicken. 1, 2, 3. Wow. I can't tell you what the aroma is right now. It's getting awesome. This is truly amazing. The aroma is amazing, and now I'm going to have the first bite. So here we go, and this is our healthy flat bread. I've already shared the recipe for this. So the chicken is melting in my mouth, and the aroma, the spices have blended so well. I can't tell you. I'm just gonna enjoy eating. You guys have a look at the recipe and watch it till the end.